Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 30th of October, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In General Ed Math, we've got lesson 5.2, adding and subtracting decimals. Just a reminder that we need to follow our 4 steps. Step 1, lining up the decimals. Step 2, leveling out the problem if needed. Step 3, adding and subtracting of our problem. And step 4 is bring the decimal down to the bottom. In Honors Math, we've got lesson 5.5. It's operations with rational numbers, and their module 5 quizzes on Thursday. In Science, we're going through and we are doing an assignment called Classifying Elements. In Social Studies, there is no homework. In Language Arts, we have a secret message that has to do with the next unit that we are working on. This is a paper and pencil assignment. And in Literature, we had Library today, and we are reading 30 minutes for homework. AR goals have been set for the kids, so the kids know what they need to be working for this quarter. It's going to be it for today. Have a good one.